YouTube, what is good, man? It's your boy Chuck Chelios, and I am back with another video, man. We about to jump straight into this thing. Guess what we in today? Hey, you already seen the box, but yeah, man, we in the dump trucks today. We gotta well, not we, I gotta go take it. What up, man? What's going on? You about to take one of? All right, man, I'm back, man. Video cut off on me, but. So I had to come bring one dump truck across the street, and then the other one I gotta go dump. So this is our truck lot. We got this truck here with the it's got the low boy on it. I operate this every once in a while, but I don't really do the drive the machines to put on here. But I've driven this before though. Even I've driven it with shit on it, so. And we got a tractor trailer right here. And then we got two dump trucks right here. Two dumps. And then these trailers right here, these are but these trailers is messed up, jacked up. Let's check it out. I got the other dump truck running. Woo. Steady snow, bro. Look at this. This is the old trash compactor. This compactor was here when WB Mason was here. I think this is the box one right here. I think this one was for boxes. So it'd be up on the dock. They push them up and then it's level from the warehouse, inside the warehouse. And then you just dump the stuff inside. And here go the trash. And this is inside. Oh shit. So they dump the shit from here down here, and then it gets crushed, smashed. It gets smashed into the wall pretty much, like an accordion. And the same thing goes for this inside this one too. So yeah. I'm gonna need a thumbnail too. Bro, trying to do thumbnails, bro, should be, I ain't gonna say it'd be hard, but I don't know. I'm working. But now, since I brung this dump truck over here, I gotta walk all the way back down there. Long damn distance. I don't really know how. I wish I had a cart. I don't really want to walk in here. What the hell he got? He got damn waves. James. Woo! James got the waves. I don't know. He got two machines. That was loud. Loud enough. I could hear from my distance. Doom. Sound like Transformers. What is this? What is this sheetrock? Oh shit! Oh, yo, that's the second time. Oh my dude. I'm about to bust my ass out here, bro. My foot keep getting caught from up under me. Bro, I'm about to walk through the warehouse. Paul's giving me a ride. Get back to y'all. All right, so I got a ride over here. I'm over here fast, quick. And now I'm about to take this bad boy. It's got a little bit of concrete in there. So I'm about to run that. To the dump site. I forgot the year of this dump truck. The dump truck that's a brand new one. That's a 2025 Western Star. This one right here is a Western Star too. I just forget. I think this is a 2020. Or no, this is the I think this is a 23 if I'm not mistaken. Damn, bro, I don't have a snow broom. So I guess I'm gonna drive up. Oh, my tea! Drop my tea, y'all. No. Dropping everything, bro. Oh, thought I was holding it wrong. Drop my tea all the way on the ground. Oh. Gee. I'm gonna go up front. See, that's the thing, bro. I don't have a. I actually got a piece, like a tripod. This little shit, magnetic. So I just got this with a case. So I'm about to test this out and see. I'm gonna get some driving footage, but I'm about to go up front, grab a snow broom, and then dust this dump truck off. But yeah, man, if you are interested in dump trucks or just trucking period, man, subscribe to the channel. If you got questions, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? I can answer some questions. If you trying to figure out like where do you start trucking or just whatever. So I've been trucking for a little minute now. Like I'm not you know what I'm saying? I ain't a crazy expert, but I know what I know. So, but yeah, man, I'm about to drive up front, get this snow broom, and get right back at y'all. All right, man. So we got the snow broom. Woo. Somebody got their tires in the back. You gotta hold the camera like this. You know, you don't want to give no reasons for anything. Woo. Woo. See, I'm holding the phone and trying to birds and shit all over this truck. See if I can get these lights. A little bit. Yeah. So yeah, man. Yeah, this dump truck thing, man. This thing, it's not hard to. It's not hard, man. It may seem intimidating at first because it's new, but once you get in it, best decision you ever made, man. I know it was mine. I wish I would have got my CDL sooner. All right, so this truck is a 2023. '23 Western Star, man. So I had gave a how-to video like how to operate a dump truck in the 2025 across the street. So I don't know. Should I do it again? We're gonna see. We're about to head to this dump site. I'm gonna try to put this tripod up for like some driving footage, but we're gonna see. Oh damn. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside the dash and everything. You got your parking brake. If you had a trailer, pup trailer or anything, you press this button here for use for the bucket to raise the bucket. These are the controls for the bucket. What else? The beacon light the that flashing yellow, orange light, whatever. You got utility lights, dome light. Turn that off. You got your this is like if you get stuck, you hit the differential lock and the this I forgot. This shit locks the axles as well. Nah, I'm gonna say it all wrong. I'm gonna say it all wrong. But yeah, everything. Shit. That's the CD player, but not no CD, but simple. Blinkers and everything. Everything, you know, nothing too crazy. In your passenger seat, CB radio. We could turn this off, but it works. We did salt runs, like a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. We went to Rochester to get salt. We did make a run last week to go get salt, but yeah, that was something real quick. I didn't even record. I should have recorded going to get the salt, but I didn't. But I'm about to see what this thing is like, so I can try to set my phone up, y'all. So get back at y'all in a minute.
Jimmy on the beat, boy.
Alright, YouTube, I'm at the dump site. I hope I don't get stuck in this damn snow. I hope not. I guess I'm gonna just dump it right here. So I gotta open the tarp and just pretty much dump. Let me see. Why do they got this way over there? They had these in here. They had the chain in there. So I'm going to move the chain back on that. All right, man. So this dump truck here is this is the 2023 Western Star once again. So when you're freshly in the truck, now you want to open the tarp. So opening the tarp is here. You're gonna open. Tarp open. Sorry that my angle all toe up. All right, that's good. Now we want to lift the bucket. So for this dump truck, you hit the BTO, and then you can hear that little, like that motor, the motor noise, the motor changes, or like a motor comes on. Then you open, you lift. But you also want to open your tailgate, pull that up, and as you can see, the light is red and the body is up. You always make sure that that light is off before you leave. Bro, is that? Bro, it's like that stuff is stuck inside the truck. What the hell? Bro, look at it. Stuck. Bucket is all the way up. I messed up my video because I was trying to take a picture for my thumbnail. But yeah, man, now the stuff is stuck. Stuff is stuck in here. So now, bro, I don't think that this stuff is gonna come out of here, my guy. I don't think this stuff is gonna come out of here. It's frozen. It's frozen in here. I'm gonna go up again. This is messing up my video because this shit is not coming out. And I'm not getting in there. I am not jumping in there. Bro, this is crazy. Bro, this is insane. Come on, man. Come on, man. Bro, this is crazy. Man, this stuff is frozen. It's frozen. Bro. Oh yeah, we got the third axle too. I'll show you. I'll show the button for the third axle. Tri-axle. So, for that axle, let me put this bucket down. Lower body. And then when you see that red light go on, all right. So third axle is this button. That's that button. Can you see? Tire on the ground. All right, that was third axle. Now I turn that shit off. Bro, this is insane, bro, because I do not. I'm gonna have to jump in the back of this truck. I'm gonna have to jump into the back of the truck, man. Annoying. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Hold on. Alright, we're in the back of the dump truck, man. I wasn't about to get back here. But this shit is frozen, bro. Like, none of it's moving. None of it. I need this stuff. I need this stuff to go up front so I can knock all this stuff loose. Like a lot of these pieces. Yeah, a lot of this just froze. Like that's heavy as hell. Maybe I could just like loosen up some of it. Maybe. But yeah, this shit is all froze. Shit is all frozen. Hear that shit? Shit is hard as a rock. I mean, it is a rock. I'm not about to be fighting with this shit. That's super fucking heavy. Yeah, man. It's crazy. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Bro, I'm gonna be out here wrestling. See this? Sometimes you gotta improvise. And you just gotta do what you gotta do. Being out here in the dump truck, man, like, I would have just said, forget it, and just took this shit back. But they might end up needing it, even though we have 2 more dump trucks. He wanted this one. The boss man wanted this truck empty. So I gotta jump back here and see if I can loosen it up a little bit. But yeah, bro, this is all hard ass dirt. This is stuff that they was hear that? All right, this is dirt. Woo. Yeah, man, I ain't about to damn kill myself out here. I'm trying to loosen this shit. Woo. Crazy, folks. All right, we about to back up. Backing up. I put my gloves next to this damn heater, boy. Alright. Now let's try this again. All of it's not gonna go out. Only some. Bro, that's crazy. Nothing's coming out. This shit waving side to side. I am not about to mess around this shit, mess around and tip over out here. Bro, insane. Still, man. And I'm not climbing back in there. Hell no. Yeah, oh wow. Oh, there you go. Bro, that is insane. Some of it. Not all of it though. Now let's see if we can get the rest of this shit. See, it's all dirt. So that dirt just froze up. Alright, man, I might have to go back in there one more time just to loosen this stuff, but I'm not about to take my phone back in there, man. So, I'll be back in a second. Alright, man, I give up on this shit. Bro, the shit won't come out. Bro, that little bit of shit still in there, bro, will not come out. Oh, this came out, though. That shit just got the weight. And then look, I'm slipping on this shit, making it red. It look like smashed up brick, don't it? Alright. Oh shit! Oh. Man, I almost busted this thing, bro. Alright, man, I had a how-to video going on and now it's wrong, but we're gonna get back to these controls. I gotta flip my camera. Alright, man, so we about to lower this bucket. I already started lowering it because I thought I started my video. Alright, and then when that light go off, body is down. And when you're closing your tailgate, make sure you're on a flat surface, because if you like on a hill or just uneven, it might not latch back correctly. So make sure you're on a flat surface. Push your tailgate button down, hit your PTO button off, and you're ready to go. And like I said, this was for that third axle, for your tri-axle. And shit, that's about it, man. After you do all that, you're ready to roll again. So that was just a quick, well, not a quick, but a little how-to video. This is a 2023 Western Star, and I did another video about how to operate a dump truck too. That was in the newest truck we got, the 2025 Western Star. But I'm about to end this video. I still have a lot more footage to drop with the concrete floor over the summer. So I'm gonna continue to drop those and just try to drop other stuff in between. I just figured today I might as well just shoot a video. Why not? Because I haven't shot a video, well, since that last dump truck one I did. Like, that was a new video. But I wanted to do something else, so because I'm running out of, I ain't gonna say I'm running out of content, but a lot of the shorts that I had, like a lot of the videos I had that I was doing for shorts and stuff like that, I'm kind of like coming to the end with that as far as shorts, but I still got some long form stuff to drop. It's just, man, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know why my long form videos don't get as many views as the shorts, but I'm gonna continue to drop. You know, it can get you discouraged, but shit, I've been doing it this long now, man. Why stop? So I'm gonna continue to drop videos, man. Try to drop some informational stuff. I'm trying to do more informational stuff, but you know, if you guys got comments, questions or stuff like that, you just leave a comment or whatever. If I'm not like real informative, but I'm doing my best. Like I don't write out scripts and say, oh, I'm gonna talk about this today or whatever. This was just, hey, I'm about to do a dump truck, I might as well just do that. That was like right then in that instant. So like I said, I'm gonna continue to drop my long form and yeah, just continue to grow, and hopefully you guys like the videos, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. It's your boy Chuck Chelios checking out. You guys be easy, be safe, man. Your boy Chelios out.